Yes, come on.
Today we will be talking about my mineral collection.
But I see you over there in the corner of the dance floor, and I know you're acting shy, looking at the corner of your eyes.
This is pyrite. This is amethyst. It's a lovely shade of purple, and you normally find them at the beach. When you dig down on the sand, you might actually find amethyst, but this one I just bought at the store. This is a shark's tooth and bone, part of its jaw. This is ammonite. It's lived when the dinosaurs lived, and it's a snail-like creature that lives in the depths of the ocean. This is rose quartz. It's called rose quartz. It's quartz, but it's a rose color. This is block quartz, or just to say it's a type of quartz. These are gold and amber. And this is quartz, and these are just like tiger ones. This is lava stone. It's basically when lava hits something, so it basically becomes lava stone. This is a tiger's eye. It's not actually a tiger's eye, but it's called that from how it looks. This is goldstone. When you look at it, it looks like a galaxy when it's in the sun. And that's all, I think. Yeah. And that's all for this video. And don't forget to like and subscribe to see more videos like this one.